There's no denying our kids love to get creative, so we've got them this little workstation here. What we're going to do is stick down this Lego pad and also repair one of Zai's planes with a broken wing. Now to do all that, I'm going to be using Selleys Power Grip, all plastics, which is a brand new product which has been specifically designed to bond plastics together with a strong shock resistant bond. We're going to position the mat, so Zaya, where do you want to put the mat, bud? Right there, you happy with that? All right, now it's time to mark it. Using the primer pen, apply one coat to each corner of the mat. Pierce the seal at the end of the tube by attaching the nozzle and cap and turning clockwise. We've got our adhesive ready, so we'll apply a small amount to each corner on the table. It's literally as easy as that. Now we'll drop our mat onto the table on those marks and apply a bit of pressure for 30 seconds. Now it's time to fix the plane, and personally I haven't had any great success in fixing plastic toys, but I can put those days behind me now because we've got the right glue for the job. So to get started, we'll use our primer pen and prime both parts of the wing. Now using our adhesive, we'll apply a small amount to the plane. Then we'll bring both surfaces together and apply a small amount of pressure until the adhesive grabs. All done, you'd never know it was broken.